Now this car is absolutely awesome. Just look at it in the very much individual Python green. This is the best GTS you can buy. Porsche 911 Carrera 4 GTS in the coupe with 1,403 miles on a 72 registration, 3 litre twin turbo, 480 brake horsepower, 0 to 60 in 3.3 seconds. But look at the colour, Python green. I mean, talk about wanting to stand out just a little bit. Well, this is it. Now, this is a special car because of what it is. It's a GTS. It's a 992 new model vehicle, up to date, very modern, super quick. Drives absolutely awesome, and it's a 4-seater, so your friends and your family can also enjoy it with you. But with such little miles on, under manufacturer's warranty, the car is like new. It's about the specifications. The GTS do come very, very well as standard, but then this has got thousands upon thousands of pounds of extras, and everything is very much exclusive and individual, and I'll show you as much as I can as I go around. Starting with the front, you've got that very nice low nose cone there, but again, because the car's done no miles, literally, it's in perfect condition. You've got the Porsche LED daytime running lights with the LED headlights. You've also got the LED little strip lighting in the front bumper with the matte black finish to the inserts on the air vents, and they are huge air vents sucking in loads of air because it has that engine and it needs to. Nice low splitter on the front and rear parking sensors with the reversing camera system. That is an extra. Now this one also has the matte black wheels on, which look absolutely stunning, 20-inch in size with the huge brake caliper, which is also finished in red. The rear wheels, because they have staggered wheels, are 21-inch in size because they have a wider, more bigger look to it, and that's what you want. You've also got the matte black finish, the window surrounds, the flush door handles, which electronically deploy, ready for you to get in, and then you have this tilt and sliding sunroof, massive extra again. Everything I'm talking about really does enhance an already a brilliant car. You'll also notice that most of the GTSs, just in case you're wondering why, this one hasn't got the GTS logo or symbols on either side because that has been deleted at factory level. That's something that you can choose to do. And do you know what? I think it works. It's one to the own. Check this off on the interior. Python green on the exterior, and then it has the beautiful contrasting lizard green interior package. So the lizard green you'll see starting off with the door cards, lovely soft leather, but that stitching is just right, just about enough. You've then got that lovely finish on the inserts there. The car also has the matte carbon interior inlays, so that's the door cards, the center dash, everywhere that you see where there's matte carbon, it looks really, really good. Automatic gearbox with paddle shift. You've then got the upgraded 18-way multi-point adjusted seats there with memory package as well. Another key feature on this car I do want to mention, I'll say it more than once because it's a massive thing. This car also has rear axle steering as well. So if you're going to spec a Porsche, you need to spec it up correctly, and this one has been done absolutely perfectly. So when I get in here, you've got half leather, half Alcantara, sports seats with the lizard green GTS stitched into the headrest. That same stitching continues on the top dash as well. There's a carbon fibre, touchscreen media system there with navigation, digital radio, Bluetooth. You've got the dual zone climate control, heated seats just down there, and then you have the sports Chrono clock. But if you noticed, that's also in lizard green. That's an upgrade, not standard feature. The GTS steering wheel with the lizard green stitching again. The different drive mode switcher is just there. Cruise control, another extra, which is just there as well. And you've got things like, I mean, look at this. BOSE surround sound system, the 911 GTS entry kick plates. But you've got the option of the back two seats. Now, don't get me wrong, this is a sports car, so you want it to be absolutely perfect, but you still want to be able to travel around with the kids in the back as well, and you can do that. This has the exclusive light system as well, package. So the clear lights there with a full strip lighting LED. And then if you haven't noticed, you've got the aero spoiler on this as well. So this aerodynamic spoiler, which is huge, but the look of it is perfect. It really suits this car again. Sports exhaust with the black tailpipes there. The rear diffuser all finished in matte black as well. And like I mentioned already, you've got the rear camera system. The look of the arches, front and rear, is absolutely unbelievable. And then let's get in here. So I've mentioned the sports Chrono, the BOSE surround sound system, the memory seats. Again, the lizard green continues on the center GTS dial there. You've got the navigation on the right-hand section, and this is all digital as well. To start the car, just turn this. How nice is this car? It's absolutely a dream car for anybody that wants a real good car. This is an upgrade as well, the roof lining. But I just think it does everything that you want it to do. I absolutely love it. It's the way it sounds, the way it drives, the way it looks. You've also got the lizard green seatbelt on this one as well. It really is that nice. And the whole green thing, if you like green, I do. I think it's phenomenal. Absolutely perfect. Just arrived on a 72 registration with just over 1,400 miles on. Perfect car with a cracking specification. It's the best I've seen. I don't think there's another Carrera 4 GTS on the market, as a matter of fact, in Python green. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye now.